Alright viewers, here's this lighted housing fan. I only have one complete, the other one has motor of blades. Fortunately, it looks like both of these got water damage somehow. Not sure how. Probably in storage of Adam or something like that, who knows. But they do work. Well, this one works, so I haven't tested the other motor yet. They don't look the worst shape. This one's actually the better of the two, it sounds like, motor-wise. Sorry. I'm awaiting someone possibly coming here to get Hunter Original. Either way. Let's go ahead and, as you saw, let me go back here to the label. Sorry. Let's see, here's the label. AC ceiling fan. Pending, all that good stuff. So I don't know who made these. Either way, there's light off, light on. Probably gonna leave light on, doesn't do much for it. Let's go and put it on low, so high, medium, low. Once again, fan's fine. Bearings are very noisy, probably need to be replaced because of water. Low speed actually, it's quiet. Once I get back, it's still a hiss on them. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Yeah, the bearings rattling in there. Poor thing. So I'm gonna high. Let's sit here so you can get these bearings and make it really bad. Poor thing. Come on, focus. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna do spin down. So it sucks that this thing's got water damage, but at the same time, it's whatever. This one I'll probably get thrown on eBay, starting bid on $20. We'll see what happens. I'm sure there was water damage and it'll need bearing work. I'm sure another collector who likes these will find it and restore it and take care of it. It is pretty neat. Like, honestly, if it was in better condition, I probably would keep it myself. But I'm okay. I'll probably throw this one. I'll probably throw the other motor up there separately, and we'll see what happens on eBay. Very neat fan. What am I doing? Oh, I found my tripod. I guess I should be using that. Oh well, too late now. There we go. Thanks for watching.